Hello guys, I remember we were doing a series on how you can start editing from Premiere Pro, and we are doing a series and we did a couple of videos like how you can add a text, how you can do how you can animate a text. So today we have another video for you still on how you can start editing in Premiere Pro, and today's video is going to be very simple. It's going to be how you can remove a green screen on Premiere Pro, because you can want to edit a video but the video will be recorded on a green screen. So how do you get rid of the green screen and get the original video that you wanted to get? So welcome, this is Beanstalk. Welcome very much. Here we give you tips on how you can start businesses and how you can start making money in the modern world. And I'll share my screen so that you guys can see. So I'm going to be sharing my screen along. So we'll just come here in file like we did last time, new, then project. Yeah, let's create a new project. Let's call it green screen. We'll call that project green screen, and then we just hit record right there. Already exists, so I had a similar project. Yeah, I'll just click on yes, and then my timeline is going to appear just like that, and I'll import a video that was pre-recorded on a green screen so that we can work with that, because it's going to be easy. So just hit Control I, or you can just click on file then import. You can click on file then import right here, but what I like doing is clicking Control I on my keyboard. Then I can select any file I want. The file I want, which was pre-recorded on a green screen, is right here in downloads. Then it's right here. Yeah, so let me go with this one. Yeah, then just open the file. You can double click to open the file, or just click and drag. So then just come drag the file right here on the effect controls panel so that you can edit the in and out. So you just your goal is just to pick where you want your video to start and where you want your video to end. So I'll play the video, I mark my in right there, and then I mark my out right there. Yeah, so then what I import both video and sound. So I'll just drag. When you want to import the video only, you just come here and drag this, audio only, drag that. But if you want both, just drag the whole thing and drop it into your timeline. Yeah, and now you can continue with your editing. So removing a green screen up to this point is very easy. So what you need to do is come here where we have effects. Yeah, we have effects right here at the project panel. Just click on effects. Then you need to look for an effect called here at video transitions, at video effects. So just click on video effects. Then you will search for a video effect known as ultra key. Okay, ultra key with ULTAR then key. That's the effect we're going to be working with, and it's already here, as you can see. As long as immediately you type the word ultra, it pops up. So you can just click on this, then drag it and place it on top of your video. You don't want to place it anywhere else. Place it on top of your videos, on your video in the timeline. So after you've done that, what that does is that your video now appears at the effect controls panel. Yeah, but you have to click on the video first, because let's see what happens if I don't click on the video. We have nothing to work with here. So let me click. Then you have this pen tool right here at here. As you can see, let me drag this for you so that you can see clearly. So we have key color. That's where you have this pen. So just click on the pen. Click on the pen, and then what you want to do is just drag the pen and click on your video, and the green screen is gone. Okay, so that's super easy. So now you can see you don't have the green screen anymore, and then you can type whatever you want in your video. Yeah, super easy. Yeah, let's drag another video so that we can work with that, and so you guys can see. Let's import another video with a green screen. So here I have a couple of them, so we'll just grab another one. Let's grab the one for like and subscribe for YouTube. Yeah, this one. So let's get rid of this one first. Just backspace. Let's drag this one straight because we don't need to mark our in and out. Yeah, so as you can see, the video has green screen, so you can't see it clearly. So remember what I said. Come here in effects, click on Ultra key, drag, place it on top of your video, go to effect controls, click on the pen tool. Yeah, let me drag this one right here so that you can see. Yeah, right there. So click on the pen tool and drag the pen tool and click on your video, and the green screen is gone. So it's super easy. That is it, guys. As you have seen, it's such an easy process. You can do it like in a minute, and you have your video with no green screen. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll make sure that I get back to you and answer all your questions. Yeah, that is it, guys. If you want to learn more into details about editing, how you can start editing professionally, we have courses at Finstock University College. It's an online college, and they have tutors that teach you every single detail you need to know about editing with the best softwares in the market, like Adobe Premiere Pro and other software. So make sure you visit their website. Their website is www.finstockuniversity.com. You can also email them at info@finstockuniversity.com or call their customer care number at 0703 313 722. So that is it, guys. Make sure at the end of the video, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Until next time, goodbye.